Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine x dx. This one we change for u. Cosine x dx we change for the u. So this one that is about identities. So we put u minus number 2 multiplied by u plus number 2. Now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over u minus number 2 and b over u plus number 2. Now we can do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about u plus number 2. So capital 8 multiplied by u plus number 2. About this one, it is missing about u minus number 2. So capital B multiplied by u minus number 2. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of u. About u we have a plus b. About the numbers we have number 2 with 8, negative number 2 with b. Now we need to compare coefficient. We have number 4. That means this one equals to number 4. We don't have u, so a plus b equals to number 0. So a plus b equals to number 0. 2a minus 2b equals to number 4. So we calculate this one. So 8 equals to number 1, b equals to negative number 1. So we put a and b gone here. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have Fn of the absolute value of u minus number 2. This one we have the negative. We put Fn of u plus number 2. And I will put about c. About u, that is about sine x. So we have the formula in here. So this one, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.